So why is the stock market pulling back right now? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing Thursday here with a live and quick stock market update. The NASDAQ market is pulling back shortly after the GDP was announced. For those that are unfamiliar, GDP fell 1.4% annualized. Again, you guys should understand that anything that isn't already factored into the market does influence the market. So with that being said, this is less than good. Therefore, this is why it's acting as a negative market sentiment. Now, should you be freaking out? Is the market going to absolutely crash because of this? No. You guys can tell that even in the report, and please, I encourage you, do your own due diligence on what it was that was reported. But we could see that the actual contraction was due to a jump in imports and a drop in exports. Year over year, the economy still grew 3.6%. So I quickly wanted to talk about that. And in my opinion, right, Apple and Amazon report earnings today. That's all we've been talking about. Facebook reported earnings yesterday and just really benefited the entire market. Because of this GDP, yes, it did bring down the market a little bit, right? But then it's asking the big question. Are you trying to trade the market just for today? Or are you trying to take a position to invest into the future, right? Because it's all about your intention. And that should really determine whether you're bullish or bearish. As of right now, the market on the day is making lower highs and lower lows. With that being said, the market is more bearish, even though it might be in the green. It's making lower highs, lower lows, not really indicating signs of an uptrend. But a lot of stocks are very cheap. I wanted to use Tesla as an example. Tesla down 5% again, trading at $836. If you guys look at Tesla, this is just my opinion. If you guys look at Tesla on the overall year chart, right? Look at the MACD, look at the RSI, look how oversold it is. You can't expect Tesla to recover anytime soon. But based off of where Tesla's at, the potential it has for overall market recovery, it's very attractive, right? And there's a handful of stocks, even Apple. Apple is set to report earnings today. People don't really give Apple the time of day because it's one of the most valuable companies. It's super bullish, and normally it doesn't offer a huge margin. But from where we're at right now, if it were to return to previous highs, that's over 13% ROI. Apple is bullish and one of the most valuable companies for a reason. 13% might not be like your AMC 50%, but guess what? Apple doesn't sell off like AMC. So I guess it's all about your intention. Do you want something to be consistent and bullish, or do you want something to be a pump and dump and then is more bearish than it is bullish? You can answer that, right? There's no right or wrong. It's all dependent on what it is that you want out of your stocks that you invest in. And let's go ahead and actually break down this entire list. So these are all the stocks that are reporting earnings. Most of these, at least the top three, are after the market closes today. And then we have Twitter and McDonald's and MasterCard that reported earnings before market open. So I actually want to break those down and see what actually pops up. So Twitter, if you guys look at the 1 day, 1 minute time frame, there wasn't much movement there. We could see with McDonald's, not much movement. Yes, it's a little bit more on the bullish side, but not much going on there. And then we have MasterCard, a nice little jump up, 3.5%, which is great to see. We have Caterpillar with a significant drop, 4.7%. These are all great. It's great to see that, they weren't influenced too badly because of their earnings report. My focus today, I don't know about you guys, is Apple and Amazon, the big dogs. This is where the money is at. This was what is going to determine if the market is bullish or bearish. And right now we are seeing a nice little pullback. Again, this is why I talked about intraday market direction. If you're trying to trade something today and direction is not in your favor, you're kind of just wasting your trades, right? You're kind of just wasting your time. You're making it more challenging for yourself. We use this analogy with my Learn, Plan, Profit group. Imagine yourself as a swimmer, right? You're swimming in the ocean. Your job is to swim to shore. If the overall ocean current is against you, if the waves are against you, it's not impossible to swim back to shore, but it's going to be way more challenging. That's how it is when you trade against the market direction. That simple. But again, if you're not a trader and you're an investor, deals are among us. Again, I really do appreciate you guys' time. Friendly reminder, we are planning and hosting a free live trading session tomorrow at market open. So if you guys want to tune on in and want us to host that free live trading session, literally all you have to do is destroy that like button. Let's get this video over to 1,000 likes. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications. Yes, it will be a free live stream hosted on YouTube, all thanks to you guys. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Excited to see you guys tomorrow. Also, don't forget to stay connected. Join my free Discord group, and that's that first link in the description. Hope that it earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.